Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove f66 error on Miele dryer. So first one, f66 error indicates a communication fault between the main control board and the drying system components. First thing you will do, turn off your dryer and unplug it for 5 to 10 minutes. And this may reset the internal electronics and clear temporary faults. Now, also check for blocked airflow. So ensure the lean filters, condenser unit, and exhaust hose are clean and free of any debris because poor airflow can cause overheating, triggering this error. Another one is make sure the dryer is plugged in to a dedicated, stable power source, not a loose socket or shared outlet. After cleaning and checking the connection, plug the dryer back in and power it on and try a running short cycle. Now guys, if the issue persists, you need to contact the Miele support or a certified technician for this to be fixed. Thanks for watching.